What's up guys, welcome to the shop. I've got a new project for the channel. I recently sold my 110 supermoto and picked up a Grom. I wanted something that's a little bigger ergonomically and something that has a clutch lever. It is a slightly used 26 model with 300 miles on it, but it's not perfect. It looks like someone let it fall over in the back of a pickup truck and bounce around a little bit, but nothing too bad. I'm gonna fix it up and make a proper stunt bike out of it. The first thing that I did was take the ECU out of the bike and send it off to DHM to reprogram it to match an upgraded intake and exhaust system. The first thing I'm gonna do is get that ECU, intake, and exhaust on the bike so that it runs again. Let's get to work. ECU is in. That was super easy. I'm going to keep peeling stuff off the bike so I can get the stock intake out of there. Intake is on. It's looking bellissimo. Just got to get these side panels back on and then it's time for the exhaust. for installing these mods, I think it's definitely worth it. I mean, the Grom is a slow bike, and no matter what you do to it, it's gonna be a slow bike. But it definitely needs a little bit of help over stock to really be usable and more fun. The one bummer part about sending your ECU out to be tuned is that I got it back and I hadn't ridden the bike in a while. I think the difference would be even more noticeable if I could ride my bike, do the mods, and then ride it again right away. But it's definitely got more acceleration. I'm really happy with the exhaust. It sounds good, but it's not too loud. I'm glad that I got the longer muffler version so that it's not obnoxious. The intake looks good and it adds a cool sound as well. And with the tune, it really improved the bike and I'm happy with it. I'm gonna keep going with the mods, making this into my little mini stunt bike. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.